Hey guys, so this my Maytag Atlantis, pretty old machine. I think I have it for close to 18 to 20 years, I would think. But this thing's been great to me, right? Any little issues, I usually replace the parts, and it goes right back on the road. This time, we ended up with too much clothing here, and this machine couldn't handle it. It was on super, and my son just stacked it up with so much clothes. So I opened it up, took the front out, and right now I'm on the bottom. And as you can see, I found the old cable that goes to the motor, the old belt, totally got destroyed. As you can see, look at, there's little pieces everywhere. Even this little pulley. This little pulley got all damaged, and you can see the old one. So in the bottom of the machine, if you have similar problem, I could tell that my engine still works, right? But this pulley totally got destroyed, so I'm going to replace it. Let me get better lighting. So I'm going to replace that with a new one that I purchased. I got this one right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to replace this. And also, I got a whole new belt. Just a new belt that I got. So I'm gonna try to replace the two and do a little cleanup in this area, and hopefully my problem is solved. Okay guys, so I pulled the whole motor out, and now to remove this pulley, right, it's very hard, but I broke it into little pieces, and now that I got to the head, I was able to use this big ass wrench to pull it out, and I already got the head coming out a little bit, so now the rest should be able to come out. But yeah, use something like this to try to get it out. See, sliding right out. So that's it. Once you do that, slide the new one right in the same place. Got it out. Now slide the new one right in. See that? Slide it in, same groove, and yep, that's it. Get it all the way in there until it's secured. Okay folks, so I've replaced the belt and also the pulley. Both are now in place, nice and new. As you can see, everything looks good, nice and tight, and I'm ready to test the machine. So I got some stinky water in here that's been in here for a few days since this machine has been down. So now I'm ready to test this machine and see if everything works. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in spin. Oh shoot, yes, look at that. All that nasty water's coming out. Look at that, working, great. Let's look under. Look at that belt spinning. Yes, so my machine is back in business. Good luck with yours if you're having the same issue.